Which keywords should I use for my Apple Search Ads campaigns? Hello, my name is Thomas, and in today's video we're going to talk about the topic Apple Search Ads, more specifically about the topic keywords and Apple Search Ads. If you're new to this topic and you're asking yourself, hey, actually, what are Apple Search Ads? We created a separate video exactly for this question. You will find the link within our description. But now, let's jump right into it. We have split up the topic into 3 different parts. First, we're going to talk about match types. After that, we're going to talk about campaign types, and after that, we're going to talk about keyword research. So, let's start with the match type. What does match type actually mean? Match type is your way as advertiser to let Apple Search Ads know what Apple Search Ads should do with the keywords that you are delivering. The first match type is a broad match type. This means when you enter one keyword, you are telling Apple Search Ads that it can also be creative and come up with keyword combinations. This means when your base keyword is fitness and you select it as a broad match keyword, this also means that you're going to rank for keywords like fitness app, fitness training app, fitness running app, you get it. On the other hand, exact match keywords are the opposite to broad match keywords. By putting your keywords into brackets, you are telling Apple Search Ads that you only want to be found specifically for these keywords. As a short hint, Apple Search Ads is also that smart enough that it figures out typos of the keywords that you put into exact match and will also help you ranking for those keywords. The third option is search match. You're telling Apple, hey Apple, I don't care, just do your thing. What Apple then does is it will look through your description as well as through your title and try to extract keywords from there and place search ads on them. I would highly recommend not to use search match, because by doing so you're giving away all the power that you have, all the controlling power that you have about your search ads campaigns, so therefore I would highly recommend not to use this option. We recommend setting up different campaign types. Discovery campaigns mainly contain keywords where you are not sure if they might work or if they not might work. This means, as the word describes, it is all about discovery. Discovering keywords that might be useful for your app or for your mobile game. The second option how you can structure your keywords are general campaigns. This could be keywords where you already have a good sense, a good feeling that these keywords are working for your app. You can actually get this information already from App Store optimization and also figuring out which keywords really drive traffic through organic search. The third option is brand campaigns. This means within brand campaigns you should bring all keywords that deal with your brand. They can either be directly your brand, or maybe your company has a different name, so you can also bring in your company name over there. Also check out some kind of misspellings, especially if you're having some kind of hipster and very new name. It's also very good to also put in misspellings of your brand, of your company name within the brand campaigns. And the fourth option how you can structure your keywords is by setting up a competitor campaign. You should use keywords that your competitors are using, mainly the names of your competitors, mainly the names of very similar app to yours, because with the help of Apple Search Ads you can also rank on position number 1 for those keywords if they are not protecting their brand with the help of Apple Search Ads. So you also have the chance to rank for those keywords, which can be also a very good source of traffic for your app or mobile game. Now we figured out which kind of match types are within Apple Search Ads. Then we were talking about which different types of campaigns are there and how should I structure my keywords. But now you might asking yourself the question, where the hell do I get keywords from? Good news, tools like AppRadar can help you exactly with this topic. We are offering a free version of our product that will help you with the topic keyword research for your Apple Search Ads campaigns. Other options besides using a tool are manual keyword research. This means you're opening up the App Store on your smartphone, on your iPhone, and you start searching for keywords. Try to understand which apps and which games appear on which keywords. By trying to figure out how this is all connected, this will also help you improving the quality of the keywords that you choose, because you don't want to be found on keywords that are really not relevant to your app or to your mobile game. Last but not least, if you really have no time at all, but you want to give Apple Search Ads a try, you can also use the search match option that Apple Search Ads is offering for you, but as mentioned already over here, I would really not recommend using it. I also have an additional bonus tip for you, which is not on my whiteboard, and the bonus tip is that once you set up a campaign and once you set up the keywords with their specific match type, you are not able to change the match type after you set it up. This doesn't mean that you have to delete the campaign that you just set up. You can also go into the campaign and pause the keywords that you selected the wrong match type for. If you like this style of video, please let us know in the comments your opinion, and also let us know which topics we should cover more in detail and which topics we should cover next. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell so that you get a notification as soon as our next video is live. See you the next time, and don't forget, keep optimizing.